Hello everyone and welcome to another channel episode of Kenzie Craig Michaels. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels and we are talking about budget-friendly makeup today. How can you achieve a simple daytime look without spending a fortune on your cosmetics? So what I've done is I compiled a few products to put together for teenagers, for young women, for millennials as well, that's going to cost you literally in Canadian dollars under $45 Canadian, and both of these product brands are cruelty free and not tested on animals anywhere in the world. So we're referring to Essence Cosmetics, that was manufactured in Germany. It's a German brand. And also Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl. So I'm using myself as a model. I have nothing applied to my skin except for moisturizer and eye cream, and we're going to begin right now. So when you like to save money on your pocketbook and save money in your budget, I'm going to show you how with these products. First off, we are starting with the CoverGirl Concealer in 01 Light. So CoverGirl Concealer in 01 Light. We're actually going to use our fingertips. My fingers have been actually cleaned, and we're going to use that right underneath of our eye area, like so. And this is a very easy look. It's natural. It doesn't feel like you're actually wearing anything. So parents out there, if you're skeptical about your daughters wearing makeup, don't be. They're not gonna look ridiculous. Just down the bridge of the nose. I have redness, so I'm gonna go right here as well on the cheek area. And you can see that's actually covering up on the other cheek area as well with the concealer. And if you want, you can put this on your lids as well. Right here on the chin, wherever you have redness, right here on my forehead, because I was playing with a blackhead today that I accidentally discovered. So concealer has been applied. These products were all purchased at a local pharmacy, so a local drugstore, and that was the concealer applied. Now we're actually going to use the Easy Breezy CoverGirl Sensitive Clean Sensitive Makeup, and it's oil-free, non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores, and it's for sensitive skin as well. So instead of using a foundation brush, we're going to open the top. This one here is actually buff beige, and I actually matched it prior to me actually purchasing the product. I'm going to dip my Q-tips in like so, swirl enough product up, and apply it onto the back of my hand. So I'm applying it onto the back of my hand just like so. Now, if you're on a budget and you don't have a makeup foundation brush or even a sponge, just the heat from your fingertips will mold this into your skin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take the product and apply it to the forehead, like so, on the cheek area, on this cheek area, down the neck area, chin, sides, neck. And when we're talking, we're going to be doing another, this is only part one of Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl. And then we're actually just going to massage it into the skin using the heat from our fingertips as well over top of the concealer. Oh my God, this feels amazing on my skin. I think it was only like $8.99 or $7.99 or something like that. So in the US, it's gonna be cheaper than that as well. So we see that we have a perfect match there to my skin tone. The redness is covered and it's silky, silky smooth. Actually, it's actually silkier smooth than some of the luxury brands that I've been talking about as well. Maybe not as much hydration in it, but it is silky smooth. Probably because it's actually oil-free as well and gives you a nice finish. All right, now that the Buff Beige CoverGirl foundation in the Clean Sensitive Skin has been applied, which is non-comedogenic, we are actually going to line our lips, which the lip liner from Essence, like so. And this is just a pencil lip liner in a peachy nude color. So the one thing I hear from most women is that they're scared of makeup. You don't need to be scared with makeup, you need to practice with makeup. It's all about practicing. So, yes, I know my hair is a mess now from doing that, but anyways, we're practicing with makeup. And Kenzie Craig Michaels loves makeup. That is my passion. I love trying new stuff on. I love doing product reviews. All right, so lip liner is applied. And this is for millennials, this is for teenagers. So parents, if you're watching this, make sure that your daughter watches it as well. We're now actually going to apply the lipstick in, what's it called? It's called, let me see here. Such small writing. It is called Donuts to Go. So if you don't have a lip brush, not a problem. We're going to apply the lipstick, which is a nude color, over top of the lip. Actually, this is a beautiful, silky smooth, moisturizing lipstick from Essence. Cruelty free. Once that's applied, we're going to apply bronzer all over the face using the Essence bronzer, which is the Sunny 02, if you were wondering what I'm actually applying. So swirling motions all the way around the face, dipping in again, swirling motions, clockwise, counterclockwise, down the bridge of your nose. Make sure you get a little bit of that ear in there so you don't look ridiculous. Coming down on the neck or the décolleté as well. So we're looking for simple, functional makeup that is easy to apply, but it doesn't take a long time. And it's simple, and it's budget friendly, and it's easy on your pocketbook. We're now going to apply the Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. I did feature this against another mascara last night. And I love the wand on this. It's truly amazing. And for $3.49, how can you go wrong, ladies and teenagers? Onto the other eyelashes as well. Gripping and going right from root to tip. So if you're getting money for your birthday or anything like that, this is a perfect time for you to actually save the money up and get a natural makeup look. Using the clear lip gloss in Behind the Scenes 01 from Essence, we're going to apply over top of the Donuts to Go. Like so. We're going to complete the look by adding our blush. And this is the Berry Connection 40 from Essence Cosmetics. We're going to swirl. It's just a very, very light blush. The little X marks on the pillow of your cheek, and you're just going to taper it up. As I said, you don't want to look like you fell in your blush, get stuck rolled around. And my skin feels absolutely amazing. It actually does feel absolutely amazing. Now with that blush too, or with the matte bronzing powder, you can do a little pop of eyeshadow with that pink. This is a multi-dimensional pink, so you're picking up light and highlighting colors at the same time. So I'm just gonna apply that right onto the mobile eyelid, like so, just with a synthetic brush. If you don't have a synthetic brush, you could always use a Q-tip. Clinique used to do makeovers for years using Q-tips. I used to call them the Q-tip queens. And there we have it. Budget-friendly makeup from Kenzie Craig Michaels. All under $45 Canadian, $32 US. Don't miss out on easy, breezy, beautiful CoverGirl, pocket-friendly makeup for your budget. That's happening all next week, so stay tuned. Cheers, everyone, and I hope all my audience loves this, and I hope if you're a parent and you're watching this that you go to your local drugstore and purchase these products. They're actually cruelty-free, animal-free as well. Thanks for watching, cheers, and have a great night, everyone. Tick-tock, time's a-ticking. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and then hit the subscribe button so you can actually see more content from me all the time. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels.